It looked perfect until the inspector showed up by a real estate broker who's seen it all. Ah, the home inspection, the part of the home buying journey where dreams meet drywall and reality checks are delivered with a flashlight and a clipboard. So as a real estate broker, I've learned one universal truth. Every house has something wrong with it. Even the one that smelled like chocolate chip cookies and looked like a Pinterest board brought to life. Once the inspector crawls into the attic or belly crawls under the house, it's game on. Here are some usual suspects that get called out during a buyer's inspection, aka the plot twist of your dream home story. Number one, the roof, also known as the fifth wall of denial. Whether it's missing shingles, mysterious patches, or evidence of moss that's been living rent-free since the Clinton administration, the roof always has something to say. Inspectors are especially good at pointing out that it's nearing the end of its useful life, which is code for start saving now. Number two, electrical, where the 1970s still live on. From two-prong outlets to DIY wiring that looks like it was done during a thunderstorm, electrical systems get a lot of love or judgment. If you hear the word Federal Pacific Panel, just know it's not a new airline, it's a red flag. Number three, plumbing. The Drip Chronicles. Drippy faucets, leaky valves, and pipes that groan like you're back after moving day. Sometimes it's a simple fix, other times it's a pipe dream. Bonus points if the inspector finds creative pipe repair involving duct tape. Number four, HVAC. Hot, cold, and occasionally working. That furnace might have heated the home just fine, but if it's older than your first email address, expect it to be called out. Inspectors love using the word adequate, which in HVAC terms means still breathing. Number five, crawl space, aka the spider's lair. No home inspection is complete without a brave soul heading into the crawl space to report on standing water, insulation scraps, or something that looks suspiciously like raccoon graffiti. Moisture here is a favorite topic and not in a good way. Number six, safety shenanigans. Missing smoke detectors, no GFCI outlets in the bathroom, stairs with no railings. Welcome to the Captain Obvious portion of the report. These are usually minor and fixable, just not very glamorous. What's the point? Buyers, don't panic. Sellers, don't take it personally. The inspection report isn't a list of reasons to abandon ship. It's a guide to help you navigate the waters. My job is to translate the inspector's cryptic language into plain English and maybe a dad joke or two and help everyone stay sane. Remember, no home is perfect, but that doesn't mean it's not the perfect home for you. Even if the crawl space has its own ecosystem and a squirrel that's unofficially subletting. Ready to buy or sell a home without losing your sense of humor? Let's talk. I'll help you navigate the inspection and everything else with clarity, confidence, and maybe a few laughs along the way. Call or message me, Kelly Ham, or visit www.thedancingbroker.com to get started. Thanks for watching.